What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another beautiful evening on the channel. If you don't know me, I'm Baked, and I'm just your normal everyday motovlogger. Today we got me and the boy Haven on the other FZ07. We're up to 3 FZ07s now, bro. 3 of my friends have FZ07s. What the frick? It's freaking awesome. But unfortunately, our other friend is not joining us today. He might join with us later, but as of right now, he ain't. But we're gonna go get a little dinner at Moonshiner's Bar and Grill. So, never been to this place, but apparently it's got some pool tables and whatnot. So, we'll see what we can get up to and have some fun with, but
I don't know.
I've never been there before, so hopefully it's fun. I was trying to do some wheelies back there.
Let me get out the way.
Sheesh. Ah! Can't turn in a wheelie yet. Let's race, bro. Come on. Race. I'm trying to race, bro. Whatever.
Frick you, little bro.
You do not know what I'm trying to do. Ah! Now you're gonna fly past?
Alright.
Nah, his bike sounds good. He's got a Two Brothers exhaust on there. His is also tuned like mine. And he just got some brand spanking new Dunlop Q5S's on that thing.
God dang.
Yeah, his crap is actually mint. But mine's pretty mint too. It just has more miles. So don't even worry about it. Dude, last night when I was riding home, I saw a freaking train of Starlink satellites.
And I thought I was tweaking.
It was like a line of lights in the sky, going across the sky, all like in a perfect straight line, and I was like, yep, that's it.
We're getting evaded.
But no, then I looked it up and it was just Starlink satellites, so we're spared for another day. Yeah, that's freaking bright!
God dang.
Woo-hoo. He has a different integrated tail light than us. Ours is like LED on the outside. His is like a bunch of little lights, so that's pretty cool. Bro, they sound so good together! Harmonizing.
What the dog?
That's all I heard. We gotta go straight up here. We can pass him.
Holy friggity, that is bright.
Hopefully that looks fine on camera. I only have an ND16. I need like a...
Indy's nuts.
No, I need like an ND32 to be able to do that. I need to flex on this guy real quick. There we go. Sorry, had to flex on bro real quick. Not really. I just like wheeling in front of other bikes because they're always down with it. Wow, I can't freaking 1, 2, 3.
And that's a cop.
Oh yeah, bro got the new Rockstar backpack. It was only 26 bucks, bruh.
Jerking off in front of him.
We're braking.
Hi, Pookie.
Yo, what? Alright, texting and driving, are we?
Put it down.
Yo, do you know how to get there now?
Yeah.
Okay. Because I don't know where it is exactly.
Okay.
Bro, I did a wheelie right in front of that cop.
I know.
The one in the turn lane, I was like, "Bwop!" Oh.
Yeah, I know. You're like barely faster than me.
Well, I was trying to do 1, 2, 3.
You gotta jump a little bit, so.
But, yeah, I mean, we need like a straight road.
Yeah, I way more though. I mean, we're probably almost the same, but you're probably a little bit faster.
We're probably just like the same, bruh. I don't know, honestly. Because I think your tuner is technically better.
Huh?
I think your tuner is technically better. But I don't know.
Yeah,
Who knows? Bro, the harmonizing is so good.
I'm about to. Oh.
Alright, my bad. Let me lock in. Little knee knocker. Got a little bit of room to show off. Ain't nobody want to see none of that. Yo, what's all that movement back there?
Let me get a slice of that.
You know that Civic that passed by us?
What?
You know that Civic that I was behind the whole time? Freaking had one aftermarket headlight or tail light. Little guy.
What the frick, bro? Confusing us out here.
I worked in front of first, drove by and smiled.
Me?
Yeah.
I can't do that. Who do you think I am? Brian 636?
I wish.
It's literally green. Why are we not going? Because we got people doing U-turns out here. Where's it at? On the right or left?
Oh.
Is it in the exchange?
Huh?
Is it in the exchange?
Yeah. We could have gone shortcut, but I wanted to risk
Whatever. I don't like getting on the highway anyway, so I'm like, yeah. Yo, pause.
Jiggling me like that.
What the? Bro's not tough with it. What are you trying to do? What are you trying to do? In traffic, bro? Thumbnail! Bro still has his blinker on. Alright.
that was another cop.
There was another cop, bruh.
I know you're from Florida, cuz.
I was in a wheelie the whole time.
Yeah.
I gotta chill out, bruh.
Dude, yeah, that car pulled out too. You were wheeling, and I was like, oh god.
Did he turn around?
No. I'm saying the car that pulled out.
Oh yeah, I saw him.
You would have freaking hit him, dude.
Woo! Sheesh! Sheesh! This is not hard, bro.
Get a load of this guy.
Yeah. And now we got 3 amigos, 3 FZs. Gonna be
Gooning, bro.
yo. Chill, dog. Almost hit me. What the friggity? My fault, gang. Sheesh. Hee 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 hee.